So where are we at, gals?
The hotel.
The hotel. What's it called? Tarheel Motel in Nags Head, North Carolina. This is room 26. We got a lovely gals, or 3 gals right there, eating their Taco Bell. Got Mom, she's chowing down too. Ain't much to this here room.
Where's Coco at? There's Coco.
Got the shower, toilet, sink.
Did you see Coco?
And then we got the old mutt here. This room here is pet friendly. Ain't that right, Mutt? She's like, I see what she's got. Maybe she'll drop some. Well, that's all for that.